Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Chess. My name is Nelson, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to upload an image file using HTML, CSS, and Vanilla JavaScript. So as you can see on my screen, I've got a cute dog, so cute. I have my heading image uploader. So basically, if I come down to this button, it says upload and click, then I have my file explorer open. So let me go select an image so that you guys could see. So let me click on this, open. So you could see it changes. So let me go do it again. So let me pick this one, then open. So you can see it changes. So basically this is what we're going to do today. I'm going to teach you guys how to upload an image file like this. So let's get back to the video and get started. So back to my VS Code coding environment. I already have a folder that I created, and I named it image uploader. So, and I also have beneath it an image file named dog. Then beneath it I also have HTML file. So I have a boilerplate ready for me already. So let's begin coding. So I'll get into the body, then let me make a div with a class of container. I'll just let me short form container. Then inside that I need h1 element. Then inside I'll say image uploader. Then I'll need a div also, the class of image. Yeah. Then inside this I'll say image. I need an image tag. Then inside this inside this source, like I'm gonna locate the path to the image, like I want to include inside this image tag. So the part that I need is this. So this is the direct path to the image I have already. So after this I'll have div with the class of form, then enter, then yeah, then I'm gonna say form action. Let's just put hashtag. Don't do anything for now inside that. So then I'll say input. Okay, sorry, typo error, my bad. Input with a type of file. Yeah, input with type of file. Then name, I'll name it upload. Then for my ID I'm gonna also say upload. Yeah, upload. Then beneath that I'm gonna give the label, then label for your your label, the value you put inside this for is gonna be the same value with the ID provided up here. Like it's just like a law in HTML. So I'm also gonna have the same value in the ID, which is upload. Yeah, for upload. Yeah, which is upload. So after that I'm gonna have an ID also. I'll just name this label. Let's say label. Then after this I'm gonna say, okay, let's just leave it like this for now. Yeah, it's okay, let's just leave it like this for now. So these are HTML, nothing much. Like you can see, it's just 2 lines of code. So let's preview it first of all in our browser. So let me right click, then open live server. Let's see how it looks for now. I know it's gonna look great, like stupid. So you can see, like, it's not making sense for now. So you can see this and the browse, you click on it, pops up for you. So let's make it look like plain and neat using our CSS. So let me head to my CSS. Like I would have created a separate CSS file for this, like an external CSS file, then starting there, but just like a little code, like nothing more. So I just decided to do everything inside my HTML file. So inside my head, So inside the head, I'm gonna say style. Okay, let me give a space so that it's gonna look neat. Yep. Also, let's style the container for now. I'm gonna say comp. So the container is the model of every element you see inside here. So every element you see here is inside a container. So let's start with the container, which is the model of the file. I don't know what you want to call it. So let me display each element inside it. Flex, display, flex. Then let me align each item to the center. Item center. Then flex. Let me say flex direction. Then direction. I'm gonna say column. Yep. Then let's say padding 0 230 pixel. Yeah, so this for this done for my container. So let's come below. So if you let me head over to my browser. As you can see, image looks so big. So let's resize and make it look awesome. So that's the VS Code. I'm gonna say image. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna say image so image. I'm gonna give a height of 300 pixel, then width of 305 pixel. Yeah, then border reduce like the circular angles, like the circle there. I want this thing to look circular, so that's why I'm using border reduce. I want to form a shape of circle, the image container to form a shape of circle. That is border radius. So beneath this, I'm gonna say border. Let me see the border property. Border. I'm gonna say 5 pixel solid, and then let me give it an RGB color. So for the red, I'm gonna say okay, hold on, my bad. So for the red, I'm gonna say 22. So for the green, I'm gonna say 79. Then for the blue, I'm gonna say 201. Just 101. Yep, I think that's that for the image. And let's come below. So for the form, give space also. So I actually love giving spaces like so as to keep my code neat, and so that maybe if I come back to reference something, like it will be neat and understandable to me, and just makes everything so easy for you. So that's why if you want to decide not to leave space, it's not necessary, you understand? It's not necessary you leave in space, but just to make code neat. So padding 10 pixel, then I'm gonna say 50 pixel. So this two values you see here, this for the 10, this is the y axis, and the y axis, as you all know, is the vertical axis. So this the second one you see over here, 50 pixels, is for the x axis, and the x axis is the horizontal axis. So I'm kind of saying for the x axis, which is the horizontal axis, 50 pixels, and for the y axis, which is the vertical, and as I'm saying 10 pixels. So 10 pixels is gonna go up straight like this, because my so then for the 50 it's gonna go like this, horizontal. So let's continue, and I'm gonna say border 5 pixel solid. Then I need this RGB color. I don't wanna go over writing it again. Okay, I would have copied it, so hold on, let me just get rid of this and get this border. Control C, then let me come over here, paste it. So Yeah, we're good to go. Then merging, I'm gonna say merging top, merging top, meaning pixels. So sorry guys, I have to just write this like from A to Z. I just want you guys to understand every bit of what I'm doing over here. I would have gone over to maybe copying it over from where I wrote the code previously and pasting it, but that won't help my viewers, that won't help you in your learning. So I just have to write it from beginning and so I think we're done for the CSS. So let me save and let's go over to explore and see how it looks right now. So you could see in my browser, you can see how it looks very neat. So click browse, pops up again. So now let's get back and do the main job. So down to our JS, our script. So I'm gonna say scripts and then source because I'm doing it in the same file. So in the script, I need two things basically, and those two things are the image. I want to target the image, and also I want to target the file, the upload file. So I want to target this element you see here, and then I also want to target this image you see here because these are like the two components, like they're the things that make up like the function of what you just saw in the beginning, the functionality of what you just saw in the beginning. So let me go ahead targeting them. So I'm gonna say const. Let me start with image img or document the query selector document dot query selector, and I'm gonna say img. So is it so down beneath that say okay, sorry, for the file right now I'm targeting the file document dot query selector. Okay, no, I don't want to get this by query selector. I'm gonna get it by the id document that get element by id of 4. So I give the file an id of upload. So I'm gonna say upload. So yeah, so I targeted the two elements. So right now let's continue. So I don't want to get you guys confused right now. So I know most of you guys must have thinking, what's this method here which says create object URL. So I want to explain what this is right now. So first of all, in this file dots files points directly to the image selected. It points directly to the file in which we selected. So this like this now like is an object that's contained inside an array. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So if I come over here and say console.log file, okay, let me say file first of all. So let me save and let me see. So let's select the file. So click browse and let me click this open. So you could see it points directly to the file. So like this is the file element. So inside this file element now, like when you say dot files, like what you simply mean is like get me the property contained in this particular file, like this particular image. So let me change another image. Let me say this. So you see it keeps popping up. So let's head back to our code. So when I come over here and say file dot files, so let me show you guys how it's gonna look right now. File dot files. So let me change. So for now, this image is not gonna change. So let me show you guys some, but it's gonna change in a second. Just give me time. So click on this. So you could see say file list like this gives us an array of file. So, and the file inside this is an object. So like you could just say this returns to us an array containing an object inside it. So, and inside this object you could see there are lots of key value pairs like about that particular file in which we chose, which is this pexels.oya and rest of that. So you could see the name of the file we chose, pexels.oya, the tag image slash JPEG. So let me click on another and show you guys. Let me go with this one. So let me open up for you. Then file. So you could see the name is different. So Pexels, Oya, Roberto, Nixon, and this. So you could see it points file.files like points directly to that image that you've selected, like that image points directly to it and nothing else. So you could see, I do hope you guys understand this right now. So let's head back to the code. So this provides for an object containing an array. So I just want you guys to be clear. So basically what I don't want the full object. I just want something contained inside the array. So yeah, I'll say 0 and contrast. Then let me choose something here. Let me say this one. So you can see it just gives us that object. You know how we select something inside an array, like this indexes. So that's what I just did basically. So I said get me the what's contained in index 0 inside the array provided for us, and what's contained inside the index 0 is just the file, and that was the only thing contained inside it. So I could just get this from me. So I'm pointing directly to this from the array. So that's what this you see here does for us. This you see here does for us. So I know you guys understand that right now. So back to what I was saying previously, I want to explain what create object URL simply is. So this now like creates like it creates a string which contains an object URL that can be used to reference the contents of a specified source object. Like what I kind of mean is that like this, like what will pass into this place now, which is this file.files. As you remember, like this is an object. Understand? So this is an object. So let me get rid of this. Let me cut it. So anything I'm going to pass inside here now, like it's going to be like a string. You understand? So it's just more like saying this, then let me say www dot netflix.com. So let me just use this like for a layman understanding. So what this basically means is like create a string, then inside the string containing a URL like a path to something. You understand? Like path to some, like this, like a path to Netflix, as you can see. Yeah, this is the path to Netflix. So this is what like this just implements. So not telling it. So instead of doing this like raw, so I already have the URL object like I want to reference to. So I'm gonna be like file dot files then 0. So this simply creates a string containing URL to this in particular. That is a string containing a URL to that particular image in which we selected. We've selected as I explained for you guys just few moments back. So I hope you guys do understand this. So this is what is basically doing. So nothing much, no big deal. So let's save. So let's head over to this place. Yeah, this open up. It changes. So and why it's changing is because of, you know, I said okay, image dot source. So I'm changing. I want the source property of the image to change on changing that. I want the source property to change. So I'm changing to this image, for instance. I want the source property to change to this. So the source is gonna be this right now. The URL to this is gonna be contained in the source. So let's use another one. So the URL to this now is gonna be contained in the source. So that's why it's changing. Changes. So that's it, and that's what I. So as you could see, no need, so I want to get rid of this. If I click on this, it pops up the file for me, my file explorer. If I also click on upload, it pops up my file explorer. So I want to get rid of this and make use of this upload. So by getting rid of that, so I'm gonna come to my file here and I'm gonna say okay, no, I'm gonna say hidden. Yep. So Control S. So let's get it back there. You can see it's hidden. So if I click on this and click on this, open, it changes. Click on this, open, it changes. So this is it, and that's done. So thank you everyone, and I really appreciate you guys hanging on with me. So I just want, if you like this video, you could just help me like, share, and subscribe. So see you in the next video. Thank you all. Bye.